Wheel life, is this wheel life?
You would want to think that in the cold, because there is ramen.
The negative. It's windy and cold as hell. The positive. This is the distance, literally, between me and the ramen noodle spot. Let me not get killed by cars over here. A lot of cars. Oh Lord. And 3, 2, 1, and we're on my block. East side. This is what I wear inside. Inside. I wanted to take the bike, but it's too cold to go with the bike, so we're gonna go with the car. Just saw a bunch of frozen canals. Yay! Frozen canals. I'm gonna go out there for you guys. I'm gonna do it. Told y'all I was gonna do it. Cannot get my glasses to unthingy. Look at my jacket, man. I look like a polar bear. Right now, I'm gonna show you some ice. This bit right here is called the Amstel, the river. It's frozen. People are walking on the ice in the canals. The sun is setting. We must go deeper. So I had to bring y'all out to Amsterdam during the night. Crazy outfits, crazy people. Look, the Pink Panther behind me. It's all neons. Sex down the alley. You know how it goes. That red light, and also here, the water is frozen, buddy. Ice cold. Hope these girls are wearing clothes though. No, they're not. Alrighty then. I just came out of the subway. Not because I reached my destination, but because I missed the last subway. So that kind of sucks. The front light don't work. It just started snowing. And it's cold as shit, brother. Look at this nice building right here. Boom, biblical. Amsterdam by night brought to you by the disabled enabler freezing his balls off. Looks nice though. Looks decent. What up, Amsterdam? I'm back. Did you miss me? Lights on green. Gotta go, gotta go. Shit ain't no joke, man. Wheel life is about that contrast what makes life life. On my way to East, back in Krugerplein, I learned a couple of things. That my battery performs like shit when it's cold. That my Chinese gloves are the shit. My hands are warm. Thanks, Mom. And I saw my friends. I'm back in the city, reporting with the squad. Wheel life, is this wheel life?